Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to pay with Monzo on a phone. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if you own an Android phone that is compatible, you have the option to link your Monzo card to Google Pay. Simply follow the following steps. First thing you need to do is you need to download the Google Pay app directly from the Google Play Store. Now, adhere to the instructions provided by the Google Pay app to seamlessly add your Monzo card. As a security measure, you will receive a verification code via text, which you must input to confirm your account. Now, upon completion these steps, you are all set and ready to use your Monzo card with Google Pay, which is something really awesome because right now you will be able to start using your Monzo card on the go without actually opening up or actually using your card. You just need to use your Google Pay application, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.